the more backtest data you have, the easier it is to sit through the crazy parts, the easier it is to keep trading the plan on the weeks where the plan doesn't seem to make sense. You have enough data that says, wait, this does make sense if I can get over me. If 80% of your gains come from 20% of your trades, let's break that part down because that's huge. That means, fine, we took a loss, right? That sucks. That's whatever percentage of risk I had on the table. It's done, it's gone, can't get it back. But then on the times you're right, that's when you really are going to get that 80%. When you have trades like this, where you've got this big, beautiful move, obviously being able to hold past this low, you guys know I scaled out of a lot of it here. So a lot of my position was scaled out of a little bit less than the low. But how do we capitalize on this? Easy. As this pulls back up, you've got another scalp into it. You take another trade into it. You make this one trade that was the home run, okay, which you guys know how I feel about that concept, but this was the home run. That's how you're going to get back the other 30, 40, 50%, the 80% is the ones you're a winner. How you manage, how you mitigate, how you re-enter, how you scale out, and how you scale back in. Because there's times where we talked about gold. Heck, we had this marked up, this sell marked up from way back here. How you get this whole picture is going to determine how much of that 80% of your gains is going to come from your home runs.